everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how to make wonderful paper snowflakes just like the ones you see in the picture. This activity can be considered a STEAM activity because it involves scientific aspects such as crystal formation, mathematical issues like symmetry, radial symmetry in particular. Then we need to count degrees in order to divide the round corners into 6 parts. And naturally, it's an art craft. It's so beautiful and can be used to decorate your classroom windows. Moreover, unexpectedly, most children don't know how to make them. I thought it was easy, ordinary, but they surprised me. They were amused. They loved it and asked me if they were allowed to make more snowflakes at home. So, let's start. And if you watch the video till the very end, you will find 2 STEAM challenges. How to make paper snowflakes STEAM. You need paper, scissors, a book, a pencil. Cut a paper circle. Fold it into 6 parts or 8. Real snowflakes are made of 6 parts. Use a protractor and count 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 degrees, 240, 300 degrees. But you can make artistic snowflakes rather than scientific. They are much easier. Fold into 2, then 4, and finally into 8 parts your paper circle. Now your paper circle is like a pizza slice. With your pencil, draw some shapes. With your scissors, cut out the shapes. Snowflakes are crystals. Their center can't be empty, so don't cut out this corner if you want to make a scientific snowflake. Be careful, the shapes on one side should never touch the shapes on the other side, otherwise your snowflake will break. Now open your snowflake and wow! Put it in a book to flatten it. You can use them to decorate Christmas cards or the windows. Okay, time for challenge. Challenge number 1. Can you match the snowflake with its sector, the pizza slice? Write the answer in the comments below. Challenge number 2. Can you make exactly this snowflake and this cobweb? How many sectors do you see? Will you fold your paper circle into 6 or 8 parts? I conclude with some advice for teachers. See how many geometric and mathematical questions, yet it is not a truly innovative activity. I remember doing it many times as a child. We can make everything more up-to-date with a technological detail, a Google Photos album containing pictures of our pupils at work, and possibly a YouTube video explaining the formation of ice crystals will be accessible through a custom QR code. For this, I refer you to another tutorial. I really recommend it. Simpler than you think, but impressive. Bye for now.